A single invisible decision by a microscopic organism can reshape entire ecosystems. These minuscule beings, often dismissed as simple, possess astonishing collective intelligence and intricate social structures. They communicate through chemical whispers, coordinate complex behaviors, and build sophisticated communities on surfaces we barely notice. But their most shocking secret lies in the incredible power they wield when acting as one unified entity. We are talking about bacteria, fungi, and other microbes that thrive on virtually every surface imaginable. From the food on your counter to the surfaces inside your body, these tiny tenants are always present. Scientists often study these fascinating communities by growing them in controlled environments like Petri dishes. These plates become miniature worlds, revealing astonishing behaviors usually hidden from human perception. Here, individual cells transform into highly organized societies known as biofilms, creating dense, protective layers. Biofilms are not just random collections. They are elaborate structures with intricate channels for nutrient flow and waste removal. Understanding these microscopic cities helps us combat diseases and even design new sustainable technologies. You should care because these unseen forces influence everything from hospital infections to the global carbon cycle. They represent a fundamental form of life, demonstrating cooperation and competition on an incredibly small scale. These organisms challenge our very definition of intelligence, operating without a central brain or nervous system. Yet, their collective decisions can trigger massive changes in their environment, impacting larger life forms dramatically. Unveiling their secrets offers profound insights into evolution and the potential for life's adaptation across the universe. Initially, a lone bacterium might land on a pristine surface, seemingly insignificant in its isolation. It might drift aimlessly for a time, searching for suitable conditions and available nutrients to begin its journey. But then a crucial threshold is crossed. It begins to replicate, forming a small, unassuming colony. These pioneering cells then start releasing tiny chemical messengers, signaling their presence to other microbes nearby. This process, called quorum sensing, is like a secret language, allowing individual bacteria to count their neighbors. And DNA that binds them together, they collectively decide to change their behavior, initiating a coordinated transformation. And then something unexpected happens. They begin to excrete a sticky, protective substance known as extracellular polymeric substance, or EPS.
Imagine this EPS as a self-made biological glue, a complex matrix of sugars, proteins, and DNA that binds them together.
This sugary shield becomes their collective armor, making them incredibly resistant to antibiotics and harsh environmental conditions. They construct intricate internal channels within the biofilm, much like the plumbing system of a miniature city. These channels ensure nutrients reach all cells and waste products are efficiently flushed away, maintaining internal stability. But that's not the strangest part about these organized microbial communities. Within these biofilms, different species often coexist, forming surprising interspecies alliances for mutual benefit. Some bacteria might produce a specific nutrient that another species requires, creating a complex metabolic exchange. Other microbes might break down toxic compounds, making the environment more hospitable for their diverse neighbors. They also engage in fierce competition, battling for space and resources through chemical warfare or physical displacement. Some bacteria deploy potent antimicrobial compounds, effectively clearing out rival populations from their growing territory. Wait until you hear what comes next regarding their incredible ability to adapt. When facing a threat, certain cells within the biofilm can differentiate, specializing in specific protective roles. Some might form a denser, outer layer, sacrificing themselves to shield the interior cells from chemical attacks. Others might become persister cells, entering a dormant state, nearly immune to even the strongest antibiotics. These persisters act as microscopic time capsules, ensuring the colony's survival even after a devastating assault. The biofilm essentially functions as a multicellular organism, despite being composed of countless individual single-celled units. Its collective decisions allow for a resilience and adaptability that no single bacterium could ever achieve alone. Scientists have even observed electrical communication within some biofilms, using conductive nanowires to transmit signals. This allows for rapid information exchange across the entire community, coordinating responses to environmental changes. Think of it like a biological internet, connecting millions of tiny cells into a highly responsive network. The sheer ingenuity of these self-organizing systems truly challenges our traditional understanding of life's capabilities, and the implications extend far beyond the laboratory petri dish, touching every aspect of our world. They can even perform incredible feats, like degrading pollutants or producing valuable biochemicals through coordinated action. The pervasive nature of biofilms has immense real-world implications, affecting various sectors of human life significantly. In medicine, biofilms are a leading cause of chronic infections, stubbornly adhering to medical implants like catheters and prosthetics. Their antibiotic resistance makes treating these infections incredibly challenging, costing healthcare systems billions annually. Imagine a patient recovering from surgery, only to face a persistent infection due to these microscopic fortresses.
Biofilms also wreak havoc in industrial settings, corroding pipes, fouling water treatment systems, and contaminating food production.
The constant battle against biofouling adds substantial maintenance costs and reduces efficiency across countless industries worldwide. But their impact isn't solely negative. Contaminating food biofilms are productive, also essential for many beneficial natural processes on Earth. In soil, they play a crucial role in nutrient cycling, breaking down organic matter and supporting plant growth. Aquatic biofilms are fundamental to food webs, providing energy for countless invertebrates and filtering water naturally. Scientists are now harnessing the power of biofilms for groundbreaking biotechnological applications, creating sustainable solutions. We can engineer them to clean up oil spills, transforming harmful pollutants into less toxic substances effectively. Biofilms could also generate biofuels, producing renewable energy sources from waste materials with remarkable efficiency. Some innovative approaches involve using engineered biofilms for targeted drug delivery, precisely controlling medication release. This microscopic world offers a treasure trove of inspiration for designing new materials and self-repairing systems. Understanding their communication and coordination strategies could unlock novel treatments for antibiotic-resistant superbugs. The ability to manipulate these invisible communities could revolutionize medicine, industry, and environmental conservation profoundly. It challenges us to reconsider how we define life, intelligence, and collective action in the natural world. These tiny tales from the microscopic realm reveal an intricate universe of unparalleled complexity and surprising beauty. From individual cells to complex colonies, the microscopic realm on a plate offers endless wonders and critical lessons. These miniature societies demonstrate an extraordinary capacity for cooperation, adaptation, and survival against incredible odds. They remind us that profound complexity and impactful stories unfold in spaces too small for the human eye to see. If you found these invisible sagas captivating, subscribe for more incredible stories from across the known universe. Hit the like button to support our journey of discovery, and share your thoughts on what microscopic mysteries fascinate you most. Join our community as we continue exploring the unseen forces that shape our world in extraordinary ways.